I'm Patrick Roth, and I'm an attorney in Corning, New York, and I want to talk to you today about a new Medicaid law that is coming into effect on October 1st, 2020. When this new law comes into effect, it's going to make an already difficult process even more difficult. It's going to make it harder for people to receive long-term care in their own home, and it's going to make protecting assets more difficult than what it currently is. On September 1st, which is a Tuesday, at 1:30 and again at 6:30 in the evening, we are going to be hosting a brief workshop to talk about the changes that are coming in place with this new Medicaid law. So if you'd like to find out more, it's time to act now. Join us for this presentation. Contact Cornell Cooperative Extension and you can sign up and hear about the new Medicaid law that will be effective October 1st, 2020. Thank you.